Good night. In Colombia exists a place you must visit at least one time in your life. Its natural place is located in the Sierra Nevada de Santa Marta. It's a magical place near, near to the paradise. The trip will be 3 days and 2 nights. All these close on to the hotels and the beaches. Also, you will know the Sierra Nevada de Santa Marta. In the tour will provide by transport service of the trip. You will enjoy a horse ride. While you trip, they may enjoy this activity. In the first day, you will be picked up the airport by car provided for the tour. Next, you will be led to the hotel. After leaving your park and your room, you will come to with typical dishes from the restaurant. You will enjoy a ride to an old village and pueblo escondido in the last day of your trip. You can enjoy or spy day with your cup, your in your lunch if you prefer, with your hotel and be careful all this to make your experience more comfort and pleasant. During the trip, you will have the opportunity to enjoy all our service and to Hotel Dreamer Santa Marta, and also you can visit the Natural Park Sierra Nevada. To talk about food in Santa Marta, talk about the seafood and the variety to eat. Enjoy the sancocho de pescado is very popular and produced for logs and tourists. You can beat the price the street for one person, but has to pay hundred to pay $400 or in cost $700 is a long, incomfortable place to enjoy and have a great experience with your soulmate or lunch. Thank you so much.